This offering is a fusion of standing yoga poses, Tai Chi, and Qigong to build strength, power, immunity, and balance within the body. Over time, with dedication to practice, one is likely to physically notice an increase in energy flow within their being. Weights can be added to the sequence if strength training, toning the body, and improving bone health are primary goals. This creative weighted flow is also categorized as circuit training, providing a cardiovascular experience. Practice Zen Yoga with me in person, live stream, and on demand at theguestbungalow.com. Experience this moving meditation as Tai Chi and Qigong